friend who had worked here a year before I did, and 16, working fast food, didn't really like it, and thought that this would be a great job to have. And I stay here because I absolutely love this job. It's become my home, my family's here, and I absolutely love everyone who works here. I love working with all the customers. You meet so many cool people, with just tourists, baseball players, random people coming in through, and it's a wonderful time. It's an adventure every shift. I think the most special thing here is that everything that we have is made from scratch to the best that we can. It's all made here in the store, and we have over 1,500 flavors that we rotate all the time, and some that you've never even heard of before, so it's a new experience for everyone as well. People that come in here and just to see if, you know, we have their favorite flavor, or a lot of students from Creighton that come through all the time just because they're down the street, and a lot of locals will definitely come through here all the time.